We live in a very chaotic world. We also live in a very polluted world. You probably don't need me to remind you of this fact. There are all sorts of pollutants all around us. Detoxification is not just a simple matter of going on a juice diet or going without food for an extended period of time. It goes beyond that. This is why a lot of people are kind of confused as to why the whole idea of detoxification has gained a lot of traction lately. Whether you are suffering from mental toxins or you're struggling with spiritual pollutants, or you are faced with the standard physical adulterants that weigh you down and drag you back, I have something for you. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn to conduct a complete detox of your life. You will be able to live life to the fullest. You will break free from all the effects of mental pollution so you can live up to your fullest potential. You will avoid certain mindsets that prevent you from getting the better of you, and will be able to have a clear view of what your purpose should be. You will cut through all the fog and will be enabled to bask in the sunlight of purpose, clarity, and meaning. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Detox Yourself, the Complete Detox Guide. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Are you sick? Rediscovering the holistic person. Reclaim parts of yourself that you have overlooked or forgotten about. You are part of a larger picture. Be aware of your pollutants. From victim to victor, the detox path. The most important emotional detox you need to take. Spiritual detox. Holistic detox. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually detox yourself the right way. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to stop suffering from mental toxins. You want to stop struggling with spiritual pollutants. You want to live up to your fullest potential. You want to get the better of you. You want to bask in the sunlight of purpose, clarity, and meaning. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make this wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Detox Yourself cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Detox Yourself Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Detox Yourself Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to detox yourself from all mental toxins and spiritual pollutants. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you detox yourself the right way. I'll see you on the inside.